Shopify store owners. If you're spending 15 hours a week on repetitive tasks, this video is for you. AI can handle almost every one of those tasks now, for pennies. I'm going to walk you through the 5 workflows worth automating in your store today, including the 3-cent customer support agent I built last night. Here's what you're going to learn. 5 workflows. Each one saves real hours every single week. Each one is something I've actually built, not just read about. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one to start with, based on where your store is right now. Okay? Let's get into it. Workflow number 1, the AI customer support agent. This is the one I'm spending a little extra time on because honestly, it's the workflow that pays for itself the fastest. Here's the setup. A customer emails your store. Where's my order? Can I return this? Do you ship to Canada? The classic stuff. Instead of that email sitting in your inbox for 6 hours, it gets read by an AI agent, in my case, Claude, which checks the order in Shopify, writes a warm and accurate reply, and sends it back, all in about 30 seconds. Now, the agent I built last night, end-to-end, costs about 3 cents per email handled. 3 cents. Compare that to a virtual assistant at, say, $15 an hour, and the math gets silly fast. The way it works, briefly, your store sends each new customer message to a tool called Make, which is basically a wiring board for apps. Make sends each message to Claude, Claude reads it, looks up the order, drafts a reply, and either sends it automatically or drops it in a draft folder for you to approve. And the best part, it doesn't sound like a robot, because you can give it your brand voice, your refund policy, your shipping windows, all in plain English. It just reads like you on a good day. Full build of this one in video too. Step by step, no skipped parts. And the starter version is in the free template pack at anvilhq.co. So if support emails are eating your week, that's the next video to watch. Workflow number 2, AI abandoned cart recovery. Now, you probably already have some kind of abandoned cart email going out. Maybe it's the default Shopify one. Maybe it's claude.ai. The problem is, every shopper gets the exact same email. You left something in your cart, same subject line, same copy, same discount. AI changes that. With a simple workflow, you can take what the shopper actually had in their cart, plus anything you know about them, first-time visitor, repeat customer, what country they're in, and have AI write a personalized email just for that person. So instead of, "You left something behind," it might say, "Hey, that olive linen shirt you were looking at, it's almost out in your size. Here's a small nudge to grab it before it's gone." Same workflow, totally different feeling. And the data on this is wild. Personalized cart recovery emails routinely beat generic ones by 20, 30, sometimes 50% on conversion. The setup uses your Shopify cart data, an API call to Claude. API just means a way for 2 pieces of software to talk to each other. And your existing email tool. That's it. We'll build this one in a future video too. Workflow number 3. Auto-tagging product images with AI vision. Picture this. You have 800 products in your store. Maybe 100 are tagged properly. The rest are sitting there with no tags, or just 1 or 2. Every time a shopper filters by navy crew neck, 2/3 of your relevant inventory doesn't even show up. That's the problem this workflow solves. Tagging products by hand is the kind of task store owners put off forever because it's boring and it's slow. Your collection pages stay inconsistent, your internal search stays bad, and shoppers can't filter by the things they actually care about: color, style, material, fit. AI vision changes that completely. You point a workflow at your product catalog, the AI looks at each image, and it spits out tags: navy, crew neck, long sleeve, cotton blend, casual, loose fit, whatever taxonomy you want. In your words, 1,000 products tagged in an afternoon for maybe a couple of dollars total. And once your tags are clean, everything downstream gets better. Search, filtering, recommendations, even your ads, because your product feed is suddenly readable. This is the one I'd run first if you have a big catalog and you've been putting tagging off. Workflow number 4. AI drafted product descriptions in bulk and SEO optimized. Almost every store I look at has the same problem here. The first 10 products have lovely descriptions. Then, somewhere around product number 11, the founder got tired, and the rest just say things like, "Great shirt, you'll love it." We've all been there. With this workflow, you feed AI 3 things: your brand voice, a few sentences about how you talk to customers, your product details, the spec sheet, basically, and your target keywords, the search terms you actually want to rank for. Out the other side, you get a clean product description, written in your voice, structured the way Google likes. Short opening, bullet points for features, a closing line that sells. And you can do this for hundreds of products in one afternoon. The trick that makes it actually good, not just AI slop, is giving it real examples of your best descriptions before it writes the new ones. AI mimics what you show it, so show it your best work. We'll cover the prompt template for this in detail in a later video, but it's also one of the templates in the free pack at anvilhq.co. Workflow number 5, the review to ad copy engine. This is my favorite one, and I'll tell you why. Your customers are already writing your best ad copy for you. They're just calling it a product review. Think about it. When someone writes, "I bought this for my mom and she actually cried," that's better ad copy than anything a copywriter could invent. The problem is, those reviews are buried on a product page, and you have hundreds of them. Reading them all to find the gold takes hours. This workflow does it for you. It pulls your reviews, sends them to Claude, and asks for the strongest emotional hooks, the most specific details, and the unexpected use cases. Then it formats them as ad copy, headlines, primary text, even short video script ideas. You end up with a swipe file of customer-written ad copy, refreshed automatically every week, ready to plug into Meta or TikTok ads. It's one of those workflows that, once you have it, you can't believe you used to do it any other way. Okay? Quick recap. 5 workflows. AI customer support, 3 cents an email, AI abandoned cart recovery, personalized to the shopper, auto-tagging product images with AI vision, especially if you have a big catalog, AI-drafted product descriptions, in bulk, in your voice, and the review to ad copy engine where your customers do the writing for you. If you only pick one to start, pick the one that hurts the most right now. Drowning in support emails, start with Workflow 1. Catalog a mess, start with Workflow 3. Running ads but the copy feels flat, start with Workflow 5. And just so you know, Video 2 on this channel is the full build of the customer support agent, the 3-cent one. Step by step, the exact wiring, the exact prompts, the whole thing. So here's what I'd love you to do. If this was useful, subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel, and it makes sure you see the build video next week. Second, head to anvilhq.co and grab the free template pack. It has the starter version of every workflow we just covered. Free, no email wall, just yours. And finally, if you want the full production-ready versions, the ones with proper error handling, the better prompts, the bits I learned the hard way, those are coming soon as a paid template pack. Same place, anvilhq.co. I'll let you know when they're live. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in Video 2, where we build the 3-cent support agent end-to-end, no skipped parts. Talk soon.